Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to this video. All right guys, so if you guys have this code, this P0032 code, we're gonna go over what it is and how you guys can fix it. If you guys haven't already, please drop a comment in the comment section, good or bad, I don't care. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. So let's get to it. P0032, if you guys have this code, you guys probably have a check engine light on your code. It pretty much indicates that the oxygen sensor, the heater control circuit, high problem on bank one sensor 1. If you guys don't know what this means, it essentially means that the PCM, the ECM, the power and train, the car's computer control module has detected a voltage that's higher than usual in the heater circuit of the O2 sensor located on the exhaust manifold side of the engine with cylinder 1. Now, that's a lot to think about, but let's just go over little by little what that means. All right. So the location, the sensor itself is the upstream oxygen sensor, sensor 1 on bank 1, which is the side of the engine with cylinder 1. The most common cause of this is an oxygen sensor that has gone bad, specifically the heater element inside the sensor. Other potential causes include wiring issues or a problem with the ECM, but let's just talk about this, okay? 99% of the time, if you guys have this code, the problem is the sensor itself. It's probably better to just change out the sensor than to try to figure out, especially if you just have this code in particular. If you have various other codes with this code, that's a different story. As far as wiring being the issue, a broken wire, an issue with the wiring harness or whatever, the chances of that is pretty low. The reason why it's pretty low is most of the time the sensor is the harness is connected to the sensor. It's pretty tight, and the only time it actually ever loosens or gets taken off is if it gets taken off. If you had a car repair, if your car was repaired recently or worked on recently, there could be a chance that the harness was taken off or the sensor was taken off, so that they can get to a certain part of the car, and that could you might want to check the harness, or in that case. In most cases, it's the sensor itself. As far as the PCM or the ECU, the car's computer being the issue, there's a good chance that it's probably not it. And the reason why is most of the time when the ECU or the ECM goes bad, it's going to throw like a whole bunch of different codes, like 10 or 12 different codes. And in those situations, they're going to just be codes that are random. It's not connected to anything. You're going to have codes for this portion of the vehicle, that portion of the vehicle, etc., etc. So obviously, if you guys have this issue, you're going to have a check engine light. Other symptoms of this would include reduced engine performance and increased fuel consumption. So basically, to solve this issue, you might want to do a couple of things. Obviously, you want to look at the oxygen sensor, probably want to change it out. As far as testing is concerned, you might be able to use a multimeter to test it out, but that's probably something that's more of an expertise thing, and most people don't do that. They just change the O2 sensor because it's not expensive for the most part. You might want to check for exhaust leaks. It's possible if you have, if you think your muffler has a leak, the overall sound when your engine is running, the cars sound a little bit louder. You might want to consider that. But outside of those things, it's probably the O2 sensor that's the issue, and to fix it, you probably should actually change it out. Now, if you guys have solved this problem, and you guys do have this problem, you guys solved it a different way or solved it the same way, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know how you guys did it, and it might help somebody else out. So in any case, hope this has helped you guys out. Please subscribe, please give me a thumbs up, all that good stuff. Appreciate your time, guys. Take care.